my name is Agari Yenintha and I'm from Isti, Yogyakarta. This house believes that we are going to improve corruptors and we believe that we should do this. I agree with this motion. What is corruption? The definition of corruption is the misuse of official positions for personal gain. All forms of government are prone to corruption in practice. The severity of corruption varies, from the lightest in the form, the use of influence and support to give and receive help, to the serious corruption that is legalized, and etc. Quoted from dataindonesia.id, state losses due to corruption reaches 62.92 trillion in 2021. The value of the state losses due to corruption cases in 2021 is also the largest in the last 5 years. Previously, the state's losses to corruption were the largest in 2020, reached 56.74 trillion. ICW said the amount of state losses in 2021 would be contributed by several corruption cases. One of them is related to the condensate management corruption case by PT Trans-Pacific Petrochemical in Ekatana, with state losses of 36 trillion. The second case is Jiwasraya corruption with a state loss of 16 trillion. There is also a corruption case of PT Fleming Indo-Batam Textiles imports 1.6 trillion. Corruption Eradication Commission of Indonesia only handled 1% of state losses, 8,000 billion. Most of the state's loss recovery was contributed by the prosecutor's office. Therefore, corruptors need to be punished severely because the impact is not only on the country but also in its people. If the country does not allow the death penalty, then at least the corruptor is sentenced to life imprisonment, or they must to pay back the losses that they took. Even blocked to get proper access so that corruptors can be deterred and not allowed to work in the government sector anymore. Imagine when a corruptor compensation can be used for the benefit of state facilities such as hospitals, education, jobs, and something sane. From this, I conclude that corruptors must be punished as much as possible. Otherwise, there will be state losses that are even bigger than the previous year. No matter how much power they had, if it harmed the country, it should have been punished fairly. So that's why I agree with this motion. Thank you.